how to install IPTV on TCL Smart TV. And first of all, turn on your TCL Smart TV. After that, access the home screen and now open the Google Play Store, and this will take you to the store where you can search for apps. Search for IPTV app in the Google Play Store. Use the search to type IPTV. Some popular IPTV apps are IPTV Smart Pro, GCS or GSE Smart IPTV or TV Mate. Now you can choose one of these. Now install the IPTV app that you selected from the Google Play Store. After that, open the IPTV on your Smart TV. If the app doesn't automatically appear on the home screen, go to Settings app to find your app. So after that, set up your IPTV account. Now, once the IPTV app is open, you would need to set up. So many IPTV services require you to enter the M3 URL or extreme codes to access live channels and on-demand content, and you can get the information from your IPTV service provider. Now go to the app settings or playlist section to add the M3 U link or extreme codes provided by your TV or your IPTV provider. After that, start watching IPTV. So after entering the necessary details, you can now watch your IPTV. So after that, it's optional. Customize IPTV settings. So most IPTV apps allow you to customize the viewing experience. You can set up favorites, adjust streaming quality, and even schedule recordings if supported by the app, of course, and explore the settings to adjust the app according to your preferences. And now close the IPTV. To close it when you are done watching, you can now simply press the home button to exit IPTV. So this is how to install IPTV on TCL Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.